Hey guys, Dr. Axe here, Doctor of Natural Medicine. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top natural treatments for restless leg syndrome. And you're going to learn the best supplements, the best diet, lifestyle, as well as herbal treatments and remedies for getting rid of restless leg syndrome in 24 hours or less. I'm telling you, these things absolutely work. The number one thing you want to start doing right away is start taking a magnesium supplement. Magnesium helps your muscles relax. It's very effective in that way. So again, start using magnesium on a daily basis. Typically, you want to get a magnesium chelate. If not magnesium chelate, magnesium citrate also works well in doing 500 milligrams a day, or about 400 to 500 milligrams every single day of magnesium powder as a supplement. Also, I would go online to my website, draxe.com, and look up Magnesium-Rich Foods, or you can do a Google search for Dr. Axe Magnesium Foods, and I have a whole list of the top 10 foods that are high in magnesium that you should start consuming on a daily basis. The number two thing you want to start doing to get rid of restless leg syndrome is you want to start supplementing and using folate, that's also known as vitamin B9. We know that folate actually helps support nervous tissue as well as muscular tissue. It's also been shown in studies to help reduce restless leg syndrome. Now, you don't want to take folic acid. You want to take a good quality folate supplement on a regular basis. And also, again, look up folate-rich foods. I have another list for that on my website, draxe.com, that you can find there as well. The number three thing you want to start doing to get rid of restless leg syndrome is consider seeing a wellness chiropractor or an acupunctural therapist. Now, what can often happen is if your lower back gets very tight, or your SI joints, or let's say you even have a problem with your piriformis muscle, but something happening in sort of that lower chain quadrant around your lower back or glute muscles, especially the SI joints, nerves can get compressed, causing restless leg syndrome. For that reason, chiropractic care is very, very effective, and I've seen great results in referring my patients to get work done from chiropractors to help relieve any type of nerve issue that can be causing restless leg syndrome, because sometimes it's a nutritional issue, but sometimes it's a structural issue, what's going on with that body. And for that very same reason, exercise can often help, whether it be running or swimming or biking, but in stretching afterwards. Anytime you do any type of exercise, stretch especially your hamstrings, stretch your piriformis muscle, really stretch those SI joints and hips and those different areas, along with, again, chiropractic care, exercise. Those are great mobility things that can help you get rid of restless leg syndrome. The number four thing you can do to get rid of restless leg syndrome is start consuming more potassium-rich foods. Oftentimes, your body can become irritated when your body is holding on to excess fluid. When you have fluid retention, it causes swelling. That as well can put pressure on different nerves, muscles, and tissues, causing restless leg syndrome. So what you want to do is start consuming potassium-rich foods. You can go to my website, draxe.com, and search Dr. Axe Potassium Food List, and you're going to find a list there of the top 10 potassium-rich foods. And listen, it's not just bananas. There are things that might surprise you, like avocados and yogurt and spinach, that are also really high in potassium. Mangoes is another great one. Strawberries, kiwi. Get some of those foods in your diet. Follow that food list. That can help. And number five, using chamomile essential oil. Chamomile has been shown to help reduce muscle spasms. It's also been shown to help relax the body, improve insomnia, sleep, even lower cortisol levels. So for that reason, chamomile essential oil or a cup of chamomile tea before bed is a great thing to do in terms of a natural treatment for treating any type of restless leg syndrome. And a few other tips here as well. You got to keep stress levels low. That's very important. If you're really stressed out before going to bed and your mind is racing and going, take some time and read a relaxing book, maybe journal a little bit. Get your body in that sort of right sleep environment is really critically important as well in getting rid of restless leg syndrome. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. You can follow these action steps on how to get rid of restless leg syndrome for good. And if you want to learn more about natural herbs, remedies, and healing foods, I've got more of those YouTube videos coming up. Make sure you subscribe here to the channel. And thanks for watching.